Hi guys, welcome to Citizen Mentorship. My name is Candid. It's a small message for all the XAT takers tomorrow. I do understand that this is what CAT will do all the time. Like, a day before XAT exam, they'll release the results and they'll kind of put that bomb on you. But anyway, again, couple of things very quickly. See, those who have done very good as far as CAT is concerned, congratulations one more time. And definitely you have now that motivation to do very well as far as that is concerned. Many of you, those who have scored 99 plus might not turn up tomorrow because you know that you are getting iron calls a sure shot and you are kind of confident now you're going to be in top 10. So again, congrats for that. Now, the problem is for those people, those who have not got good percentile and really feeling disheartened and devastated and horrible, right? Guys, understand this. It's life and these things are always going to be there. I just want you all to cope with it nicely. Now, I understand it is really easy to say it and it's very tough to do it. But do we have any other option, right? We don't have any other option, right? Now, you might think this from a positive perspective. There are so many people, there are so many students I'm talking to, they're saying that my CAT really went bad, I was expecting a little bit more score and sort of percentile, but then I'm not getting at par with my expectations, and this has actually demotivated me to the core that I don't want to write any other exam. I don't even want to go for SNAP, which is happening the next Sunday, right? So guys, understand this. Now, if you talk from that perspective, I think the competition for XAT has reduced even more, right? So I don't think that you should be getting demotivated and not studying for XAT. ठीक है, CAT का result आ गया, वो तो आना ही था. हमने ऐसे बहुत सारे results देखे हैं, मेरे ख्याल से 10th, 12th, graduation and all that. Just keep it aside. That is going to be a really big ticket because if you are not able to get into ABC or FMS, XLRI is the final option that you have to actually fill that gap. So maybe you won't be having ABC FMS on your resume for throughout your life, but then probably XLRI can definitely do that job for you. So guys, my only humble advice to every one of you is that don't get into panic mode. It's done and dusted. Just keep it aside. Do not sort of focus more on the CAT thing. I've made a lot of videos on that. If you're a CTC student or non-CTC students, you can actually check out all those videos on my YouTube channel. I have discussed the strategies. I have discussed the important topics. Just go through them. Think about your score optimization. Again, something that I really want to tell you is that I've been getting this, I've been talking to students after the results. Guys, you all now need to understand that the way we are looking at aptitude exam, the game has completely changed. The dynamics have completely changed. You cannot just say that, or you just cannot go for any exam in the country, which is an MBA entrance exam, with the attitude of score versus percentile. Itna score pe itna milega. Itne questions bhi itna milega. To be very honest, that's a very bad mentality which is not going to do any good to you. After CAT, whatever mistakes that you have done, right, I want you all to take some learnings from it. People have actually messaged me, said that I have done a fabulous job in verbal, however I did not follow your strategy. I over attempted in Quants, I over attempted in DILR, and because of which my score has gone down drastically. I know a student who's got 98.53 percentile in VARC, but has not even able to got around about 90, around about 70 in DILR and around about 85 to 88 or 90 in Quants. That's because of the over attempt. I know a student who scored 92 percentile in VARC and he is like 40 and 50 percentile in Quant and DILR respectively. So guys, it's a humble request that you have an exam tomorrow that kindly focus on all these things. Level of difficulty is important. Understanding your paper is important. Implementation of strategy, lap 1, lap 2, lap 3, all these things are going to be really important. So if you feel that you are disappointed because of the CAT result, you just look around and you will find there are so many students who are disappointed because of CAT result, and that's where the opportunity lies. If you study very well, if you take care of your emotional quotient, I have been telling this since so many years, guys. Now we need to understand that EQ plays EQ is more important than IQ also, right? All the XAT takers tomorrow, you have a new opportunity. It's a big ticket for you all. XLRI is a fabulous B school. Guys, let's not ruin it. Let's not focus more on CAT. You still have, after your examination tomorrow, you can still go back to your CAT result. You can think about it. But trust me, if you really want to get successful in life and if you're a wise student, मेरे ख्याल से you will not be dwelling upon the CAT result. I know indeed it's very tough and it's kind of an emotional breakout, but understand this. This is what we had to learn, right? This is what you just have to learn to kind of overcome. So yeah, that's the thing that I would tell you. Do not screw up your XAT. And you know what? CAT, I know CAT was disaster, but XAT is something that you really need to pay a lot of attention to. The reason being, Those who score around about 80-85 percentile in CAT, I have seen people scoring 90-95 plus percentile in XAT. XLRI being the top college gives you call at 93, 94, 95 percentile. Again, the number of questions that are supposed to be attempted by you with 100% accuracy to get 95, 96 percentile are not that much, right? With 20 marks, you will be getting 90 percentile plus, and with around about 30, 33, 34 marks, you should be close to 99 percentile. So these are the good things at your disposal. So kindly focus on all the positives. And again, one correct question of XAT can actually give you a jump of 7 to 8 percentile. So all these things I want you all to keep in mind and go for a kill as far as your XAT is concerned. I don't want you to get disappointed tomorrow. Whatever strategy that I've told you, apply it. Your XAT will be fabulous. And after CAT, I've seen a lot of people get disappointed after CAT. But these are the people, they really get happy because of their XAT results. So I wish you all the very best. Work out on the strategies. Stay focused. Do not get diverted because of CAT results and go for a kill tomorrow. So guys, wish you all the very best for XAT. Thank you so much.